Control of the electromagnetic spectrum is a crucial advantage in a rapidly evolving threat environment. Airborne electronic attack must have more power, more precision, more reactive speed and bandwidth than ever before. Raytheon meets these challenges with ALQ-249, the next-generation jammer midband. NGJ provides agile, advanced techniques, state-of-the-art, high-power radio frequency generation and management, and a non-proprietary, modular open systems architecture that is cost-effective and designed for upgrades to meet future threats. No other electronic attack system denies, disrupts, and degrades threats like the next-generation jammer, midband. We've been on the forefront of electronic warfare for more than 50 years, giving our military advanced electronic attack solutions to control the electromagnetic spectrum. Everything from counter-communications and AESA radars to anti-radiation missiles, radar warning receivers, and decoys. Command strength across the spectrum with Raytheon's next-generation jammer, midband.